Hey, how you doing? How you doing? Hello. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you a little bit the decorations, how we decorated the house so far, and we just gotten the Christmas tree from my family. It's a bored Christmas tree. I'm gonna tell you the story a little bit later, but we want to unpack the tree and see if we can arrange it more or less. I bought the toys. I bought some toys here in this box, and maybe I want to put a couple of these on top and to see what's missing. And I bought as well the lights. So my idea was to get a couple of toys from the shop, and if something is going to be missing, I would go and get red or green or whatever color it's going to be missing. It took me a while. For now, in this room we have a crib, and show you. And I'm gonna show you quickly the decorations that we have in this room, in the living room. We're going to place the tree in the area where the boxes are. These boxes are from the furniture. They came damaged, that's why we're keeping them. We need to wait for this response of the company, so they can tell us what they're going to do with that piece of furniture that we got, the big chest of drawers. That's why they're here. I think we're going to put the Christmas tree here, maybe on a little table or something. So it's gonna be cute. For now, the state of the room is like this.
Hi.
The state of my man is like this. My man doesn't want to do nothing. He wants to chill.
Relax.
My man's tired. My dog's tired. Everyone's tired. I'm tired too, so great, everyone's tired. Here's the tree, and here's a couple of decorations that we have. Little plant that's meant to be there. Here, it was here. I'm going to replace it. A little picture that's going to be on the chimney. And after I have everything ready, I'm going to show you the final look. Then we have a couple decorations here. Here as well, little star. I have a deer here with my jewelry. I got this pretty guy with this little snow, little berries, Santa Claus. So all of these toys are meant for the tree, but I just spread them around so we can have a cute look around the house right now. We have a piano as well. We need to bring it down. This is a natural pine branch from the pine tree. Our neighbor grows pines and he trims them every now and then, and I just grabbed a branch and decorated it a little bit. So you have a nice star, a little berries with snow, little nutcracker, a golden toy, and a little guy here, little nutcracker. And all of these are natural, obviously. This is not fake. And yeah, these are the balloons from my man's birthday. Maybe I'll insert a couple of clips of his birthday here. And yesterday we are celebrating my man's birthday. He turned 29 years old. Yesterday we had a nice dinner with the family. We made a nice dinner, the octopus and some spinach, some patata. I'm going to insert the footage. Oh, you guys, today is my man's birthday.
Hi.
My man's turning 29. There he is.
I'm getting 29 years of living, of surviving hard life.
He's sauteing the spinach. We're having dinner downstairs, and I just made the potato. Oh, we roasted. I think they look pretty well. I think that's enough. Decorate it a little bit. Look at these. So pretty. Decorations. Yeah, okay, vamos.
Everything done. Patata.
Potatinha is ready. Great.
Okay, let's go.
Vamos. Look at this cake, you guys. Oh. Hey! Woo! And today we are having a friends gathering. A bunch of friends came over to celebrate him on his birthday, and I arranged a little bit of the decoration. I'm gonna show you how it looks like in a sec. So we're gonna be having some meat. We're grilling meat. I made some salad, some tuna pate, and we're going to have some nice lunch, hopefully chat a little bit, and have a good time. So, happy birthday, Feliz Aniversario is in Portuguese. But these are glass bowls, these are plastic bowls, these are ceramic figurines, this is wooden, little Rodolfo. Some fun decorations. I'm going to decorate the tree with you guys. For now, I have everything prepared. We got already some gifts, very cute, from friends. Thank you so much, you guys. And here above llama, I put a little decorations as well. Decorate with a little bit glitter. We got a cute book, the book of your baby in Portuguese, the first 1,000 days. Oh, it's very cute. Thank you so much, baby. I'm going to read this. Currently reading this. So I decorated here a little bit. Looks more Christmassy. This is a portrait from when we met, the third date. I think it was in Troya, and my man already told me he loves me, and we made a cute little photo to make a memorize. And this is a present from my mom and my sister. These guys are making a sound as well. I'm gonna show you in a sec. These are so cute, some figurines. A guy with a dog. And here, you see, a couple of girls. Decorated my trees. Bonitinho. Bonitinho. Sit down, Bubba. Thank you. So yeah, that's about it. I think we're going to like fast forward the tree situation. Let's just get right into it, I guess.
Let's go.
Hi.
Hi. Start assembling the tree then.
We can start assembling and see how it goes, I guess.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Base.
Ooh. Ooh, this is like even toys.
It's like mine, you know.
Oh wow.
My mom has one, but my mom has
Oh
a
my,
3-layer
be
one.
careful, babe. Wow, we have a couple toys here from the last year, I guess. Hey, so cute. Oh. Oh, it has already. It's already. Oh, be careful, the shelf food in there. Operation Christmas tree.
Huh? You done with decoration? I thought you liked it so much, decoration. Such a fun activity. You sweating?
I'm tired. You don't want to participate.
I don't have a good touch for decoration. I'll leave it to you.
Okay,
Bolinhas.
No.
Toma bolinhas.
No. I'm fine. I'm not.
Mais bolinhas.
I want to see first how the lights look. And maybe make it a bit straight. For some reason it's not very straight. Oh, this is pretty.
Oh my, these are colorful ones. I thought it would like be white or something.
No. I
But
got
they're real colorful.
They're so cute. Ooh, this is nice. I like it. I chose the colorful lights because that's what we used to have at home when we were living in Russia. And yeah, look at this pretty.
Oh.
Maybe it's the. Now I found out that I have a hole in my sock. Ma. Wow. This is very pretty. Like it. So I'm resting on the couch. I'm officially exhausted. I think that will be it for today. I don't have any energy to decorate. I'm out of breath, and I think we did a good job already with putting the lights, and I can't like. I'm out of energy for today. So I wanted to tell you why we didn't get the tree that we wanted. So I ordered it early from IKEA as soon as it appeared. So I think it's like November or something, in the beginning of November. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna order now, so there's no problem later on because it's in high demand and everybody wants it. So let me just order it online. And I ordered it, and a couple of weeks later I received a message. Sorry, your order has been cancelled. They ran out of stock. And then I called them in IKEA and asked if they're going to restock the tree, and then said probably not. Our market was not ready to receive so many requests for the trees. That's why your trees had been sold to someone else. And I was like, okay, that's why I made the request early, so I can have a tree. And it didn't work out. So it looks like the next time you see the tree in IKEA or something that it runs out of stock real fast, you need to go there and actually pick it up. Otherwise, this online thing is not promised, you know. Even if I ordered, I paid for it, and they returned me back the money because it was out of stock. And yeah, it's a bummer. But it is what it is. We're going to eat now? There's no towel, baby. Let me give you one. Wait. No, Tomo, you want another one? No, Bo, say hi. So,
Hi.
how are you doing?
Hi, good.
You're 29.
Yes, I'm old guy.
So,
I still so.
you have an advice for yourself for this year?
Be patient, work hard, and that's it.
Love your wife.
Now love the baby.
Love the baby. love the woman. What love the woman? No. So yeah, we're going to go have some meeting, and I'll talk to you guys later. wanted to bake some Christmas cookies with you guys. I just cleaned my tool. I removed the pastry from the fridge. This is the pastry, the fresh pastry that we got from the Lidl store. There is ginger cookies that are brown and cookies that are white. And I'll try making some shapes out of them. I'll try to not to burn them and keep it nice. And I hope everything goes smoothly. Just bear with me. All the dough is from the supermarket. I'm not really sure how to make a dough. If you have a nice recipe, leave it in the comments down below. And let's get started. So I'm waiting for the dough to get warmer for 20 minutes. That's what it says in the package. And let it be softer. And I'm going to roll it, and then I have a couple of cute shapes. This one, irrelevant kind of to the Christmas, but they did not have Christmas shapes in the supermarket. And a couple of stamps as well. Homemade, to use it with the stamp. Then you have a little snowflake and a little deer. This dough is already almost expiring. It has 5 days until it's going to expire, so I thought to myself, I need to already make these cookies, otherwise we're going to lose the dough and it's going to be very, very sad. I'm waiting now for 20 minutes to pass. I'm going to preheat the oven to 190 or 180, and then I'm going to do both cookies, and then we're going to see how they will turn out. Oven is preheating. Now let's distribute the flour around and get ourselves into the cookie. Now I grab some sodium to clean the surface, because I obviously do not want to roll the dough on dirty surface, and I don't want to put chemicals, so this is how we're gonna go. Our oven is already done, very fast. Small. It's clean as a cucumber, as they say. Now let's dirty the whole house. Ooh, it smells so nice. Yum, you guys. It literally smells like gingerbread. Oh my, like gingerbread with cinnamon. Very strong, very nice. So we're going to roll them until they are what? 6 to 7 millimeters? Until they're 7 millimeters. Okay. Ta-da! I could literally just put it like this and eat it. So we got our 7 millimeters in here. Let's see how thick is this guy. So this guy is 1.5. Okay, I'll just guess I'll do a couple of rolls and we'll see how it goes. Put the flour on top. Woo! I think that's 7 millimeters. Let's see. That's a Mickey Mouse shape. Ooh! Actually come off like this. Ah, fun. Ooh, look at these. Cute. And we'll try some stamps. I'll disconnect the oven for now because it's working non-stop and there's no point. While we're doing still busy. But we're still doing the cookies. I think it's better when you put oil on top of the stem. But yeah, look, it's glossing and it's much better. I think I'll do another tray. Every Christmas card I write, may your days be merry and bright, bright, and may all your Christmases be white. Alright, so now we have this beautiful cookies. Some of them are oil and have oil on top because it's easier to make stems like this. I found it easier. Some of them have some flour. We're going to see how they turn out in the oven. But yeah, for now they don't look very bad. Let's hope they taste good as well. Alright, the oven is ready for the second time. We just need to place this bad boys in the oven and take them out in 6 to 8 minutes and see how tasty they are. I put it on 7 minutes, so it's between 6 and 8, so it's around 7. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Ooh, they start smelling like ginger, and I think they look pretty decent. They don't have much of a flour on top of them. Ah, cookies, Christmas cookies. So I pinched the cookies with a toothpick, and it looks like they're still soft. So I left them for 5 more minutes, and I'm not sure. I'm assuming they should be ready. Let's pinch them again. But like, are they supposed to be soft or? I'm not sure. Are they supposed to be soft? They're still kind of soft. Shall we leave them for longer? I don't know. Let's put for 5 more minutes. It's going to be 11 minutes now. So 16 minutes. Not sure how long they're supposed to stay inside the oven. Alright, so the cookies are now done. They turn out to be quite hard. So they're not soft anymore. A bit soft on the bottom, but they need to cool off a little bit. I removed the excess of flour with a brush. And there they are. I think they look pretty nice. I'm going to test them out and let you guys know how they went. My dog is licking the bowl. Sorry, the noise is coming from there. Wilka, are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Are you gonna get some cookie? Yeah? No, you can't. My jank, you're a dog. You can't get a cookie. Do you want a bone? You want a bone? She loves the bones, these bones that I got. Amazing. Okay, now. What do you want to do for me? Okay, give me pata. Good dog. Give me otro pata. Good dog. Go down. Roll. Good dog. Center. Center. Good dog. Come. Right now I'm listening to the jazz radio. This is my favorite app of all time. There's a holiday jazz and there's smooth holiday jazz, and I'm listening to both of the stations. In the morning I listen to the fast-paced one, the holiday jazz, and in the evening I listen to smooth holiday jazz. So for like a couple of months, in November and December, and I think a little bit of January, they play Christmas songs and New Year songs and the whole this festive cheerful songs, and I love that so much. Hello.
Can I make noise?
Are you sure?
You good?
No!
No?
I cannot, it's too hard.
Yeah? Oh! Are you okay? Did you break a tooth?
No, it sounded like it. It was too hard.
I'm never sure if you're going to crack the cookie or your teeth.
I think this should be good with milk, but yeah. Too bad. Anyway. First try. Okay, so this batch...
It comes down to not knowing how to follow instructions, right?
No, it says 6 to 8 minutes. I put it like for 7, then for 5, because they were like, you know, I put the stick inside and it was very soft.
Yeah. So now it's not soft at all. So
now
it's so
very
hard that you can start putting cement between and start building a house with it.
Going to start building a gingerbread house with this one. Okay, this batch I think is out, but I'm going to try it with the new batch, the white ones, and I'm going to do exactly how it says in the recipe, and for 7 minutes, and we'll see how it will work out. Yeah. That's basically the typical grandma with her hand up the grandmas. Or you see, you could mix it and then you have like a cup.
Oh, that's nice.
That's nice.
You could have put one in the oven already. And that's just an opinion of a guy that does it.
You see, Mama. Okay, going to the oven, you guys, for 7 minutes now. Whoa. I need you.
Helpful tray, instead of using the other tray, but you didn't remember, oh, we're going to put the one tray just in the oven while I do the other.
Nah, let's waste some time. Actually, I didn't cross my mind.
You didn't cross your mind? No, we did not.
No, we did not. So cool.
Yeah.
Good.
We're not crushing. You press it and make it nice, and then just crash in the middle with the chocolate piece. It sounds okay. Sounds smart.
There. We are kind of done with the cookies. I decided to put a couple chocolate chip inside the cookies. I'm gonna show you. Little eyes, little eyes, little nose. Mickey Mouse has a nose. This guy has a butt. He's going to poop chocolate. This is just in the middle. And yeah, and for this one I just mixed brown pastry with white pastry, and you have like a nice colored pastry. Oh, there. Okay. I'm really struggling to believe that it's ready in 7 minutes, because it's like 3 minutes left, 2 minutes left. They don't look cooked. Are they looking cooked to you? They look like pastry to me. Okay, they're bibbed. I put them for 8 minutes, now they're done. Let's take them out. I'll overbake them. Ooh! There they are. Very lemony, smells very lemony. And then we're going to put second batch. Boom! They're done. Wow, smells really like lemon, like a cheesecake. Hopefully they dry out and are not as hard as the other ones. The other ones felt really hard. Looking very nice. I think next time I can put more chocolate inside. Or make like a chocolate chip cookies or something like this. So yeah, let's have the one that's dry. This one. Now it tastes like a cookie. And it tastes very much like cheesecake, like the bottom of the cheesecake. Yum. Very good.
Now it is a little like a cookie.
They're good, right? Yeah. How do they taste like? Like what?
Plain sugar.
For me, they taste like cheesecake. No.
Not very sweet.
Better. I think better than this ones. I like them better.
You try this
This
one?
ones. Yeah, they're too much.
No.
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 It's the same. What would you rate them? Which one you like more? This one?
This is ginger.
This ginger cookie. Yeah.
It's like ginger.
Huh?
It's not as doesn't have the softness of this one.
No? Oh, really?
And that?
It's harder.
Sugar. It's more sugar.
Oh, it's chewy. Oh, it's chewy. Really? It has different structure. Reminds me of something. Ginger cookie. Say bye to you guys.
Bye.
Wait. That's it for this vlog, you guys. I hope you enjoyed baking with Inness. The Christmas cookies, Christmas edition. Hope you're staying warm and you are preparing for Christmas and for New Year's. And hope you're staying as well cozy with your family, or if you're alone, you get yourself, comfortable and just enjoy holiday season with some nice cheerful music and some hot cup of cocoa and a cookie. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.